Hey guys, welcome to this video. I'm Prajwal from Indie Crypto, and inside this video we'll look at some of the important cryptocurrency updates in India and around the world. Now in my last two videos I went ahead and reported a particular scam that occurred involving BitBNS and Coinex, and the article was posted on coincrunch.in. Looks like the story just went into the third part, where this time it's from the alleged scammer who was actually accused of duping Coinex, BitBNS and the victim. So his name is Arijit Dey, and this is another article that's been posted on CoinCrunch where he's come out openly and saying his side of the story. So his side of the story basically is that that whatever Ripple he went ahead and took from the BitBNS account, he says it's his. It was neither BitBNS or not the victims or not Coinex. So he was basically transferring some Ripple from Coinex which got lost during the transaction, and he says he basically took that back, and whatever Ripples he went ahead and took from BitBNS, he says it was his right, because he says that he worked for BitBNS tirelessly for the past 2 months. He says he was the head admin of the Telegram group of BitBNS, and he was responsible for most of the popularity that BitBNS has today, and he was not paid or not rewarded handsomely for all his effort, and that actually led him to go ahead and carry out this particular transaction or scam or whatever you're going to call it. Now if he's right or if he's wrong, it's I'm nobody to comment on that. It's ultimately left to your judgment. But what I'll do is I'll go ahead and leave the link for this particular article. If you've been following my previous two videos, you can check that as well, or you can just go to coincrunch.in, and the last 3 articles that they have posted is basically about this issue. You can go ahead and check them out. Moving on, a new exchange, WazirX, is getting launched today, and the trading is starting at 7 p.m. and they've informed that there will be no trading fees for the next 24 days. And they are currently launching with 3 coins, which is Bitcoin, Litecoin and Dash. And they've also put out in this article that they will be going ahead and designing some kind of mechanism for people to know the WRX coins in their account for signing up to WazirX, and also referring other people to WazirX. For guys who didn't know, WazirX did offer their own tokens, WRX, for people who signed up to the exchange, and for people who referred other people to WazirX and had a successful referral. So we would have to wait and see how this new exchange is going to perform, especially in this particular market conditions where the cryptos are currently having a tough time. So we're definitely interested in seeing how this exchange is going to perform. Now moving on, looks like there is an exchange war going on between BitBNS and Coinex in regards to listing Tron on their platforms. Now BitBNS all of a sudden came up with this post on 6th of March saying that BitBNS has defeated the opposition in Tron election, and they would go ahead and start trading from 10:40 a.m. So there was no prior notice or prior notification given to BitBNS about this particular listing, although they were listing several other coins like Sia Coin, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin and Monero. These were the few coins that BitBNS did go ahead and add in a very short span of time. And also Coinex also did go ahead and add a lot of coins, be it ZRX, Request, Golem, OMG, Red Pulse and other coins. They also went ahead and added a lot of coins very recently. That the beginning they added 3 coins in the beginning of March, And Coinex also went ahead and posted a poll on social media where they wanted to take their users' opinion on which coin or which token they would like to see on Coinex. And they posted that Tron came up in the first position with 75% of the votes, and they would go ahead and list Tron on Coinex. So I went ahead and checked. Tron is currently here in the list, but when I click on Tron, it says the trading will start soon, and the Tron deposit is live at the moment. I went ahead and checked BitBNS as well, and Tron was actually live on BitBNS, and trading was also live as well. So speaking more about Tron is basically a token for decentralized content entertainment that's on the blockchain, and it's currently trading at somewhere around ₹2.50 on CoinMarketCap, and it's a little bit on the higher side on BitBNS at the moment. So we'll have to see how this particular coin is going to perform in the Indian market. Moving on, BitIndia, another app-based exchange which did held its ICO to raise funds to build their exchange, have also come out with a poll to know from its users or know from people which tokens they would like to see on BitIndia. Now on this particular page, they have listed the poll with all the tokens listed here. But for voting, you would have to have BitIndia tokens, and only then your vote will be considered. Now, if people don't have BitIndia tokens, how do they vote? They have also provided a link here where people can go ahead and buy BitIndia tokens and then come back and vote. Now, it looks like there's a lot of new exchanges coming out and a lot of polls going on. We'd have to definitely see how things are going to work with these exchanges, because at the moment cryptocurrency market is not that great, because the market cap is very low at the moment, especially in the last 2 months where the cryptocurrency market cap did drop drastically. Now with these new exchanges coming up, will this help in more adoption? We would have to just wait and see how that's going to work. So those were some of the important updates in the cryptocurrency space for today. Hope it was informative and hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give us a like, and also let us know your comments in the comment section below. So that's it in this video, and I'll see you very soon in the next one.